Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. First of all, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. And so I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge, and it is Leetcode number 8 string to integer or ATI, A2I. Okay, and it is a medium level question, and I also feel the same somewhat, but you can see that the ratio of like and dislike is far away. Okay, most of the people not like the question, and I also not like the question, but we will solve this. Okay, so you are given a function my a to I with which takes a string, and you have to return a integer, okay, of 32-bit, similarly to the C and C++ ATI function. Okay, so this is some rules which I will explain you in the explanation part. Let's see the constant. So s dot length can go up to 200, and s contain only English letter, lowercase and uppercase, and digit from 0 to 9, space, plus, minus, and dot. Okay. So there are some condition like in short, if I say you this will minus 42, if the string has minus 42, so it should return minus 40, minus 42 itself. If it is 42, then it will return 42. If a string contain this, okay, like 356 said, welcome to code with coder, so it will only return 356. Okay, only the number part 68. Okay, and for this you can see that it is start with string and end with a number, so it will return 0. For this if a number is less than this, so it will return this number itself. Okay, and a number which is greater than this will return this number itself. Okay, it mean int mean, okay, and int max. Okay, in C++ we can write like this. If you are coding in Java, so check it out how to get the minimum and maximum integer. Okay, and if it is like something like minus plus 42, it will return 0, and all 0 plus minus 42, it is also 0. Like if there are two symbol, then it will always return 0, and if there is 0059, it will just return 59. Okay, and if there is something like space, then plus sorry, then a number maybe minus 52. Okay, then it will just return minus 52. It will ignore all the spaces. Okay, it will ignore all the spaces. So these are some certain conditions you have to take care. And here here all these condition are written down. Like you have to ignore the leading zero, you have to check like if a number is positive or negative. Okay, if it is a non-digit character, then the rest string will be ignored. Just as I say you, if the starting is is not a digit, then you have to ignore the whole character and just simply return 0. Then fourth one is if it is 1 2 3, so return 1 2 3. If it is 0032, it is only return 32. As I say you, if 0059, it will return 59. Okay, if there are and then if it goes out of the 32-bit range, then you have to, if it is if it go out of bound from the negative side, so you have to return, and the int min means minus 32, minus 2 to the power 32, and it is greater than 2 to the power 31 minus 1, then you have to return this. Okay, 2 to the power 31 minus 1, as I said you here. Okay, and you have to return the final answer. So all these conditions are covered here. So the question is very simple, and I hope you understand this all cases. So this is the whole code. I have taken a I variable for iterating through entire string. I have taken a sign variable, so I will take care of that positive. If it is positive, so it is 1, and if it is negative, it is minus 1. Okay, I have taken an answer variable, and n is the size of the string. Then I am checking if it is start with the space. Okay, so if it is start with the space, I just simply iterate through the complete spaces. Okay, ignore that complete space. Then I will check that if it is a minus sign or plus sign. If it is plus, then I will assign sign equals to 1, and if it is minus, so I will assign -1 to the sign variable. Okay, then I will iterate through the further, and I will check if my si belongs to from range. This is character 0 to character 9. Okay, if it is out of this range, then we just ignore this and we just return our answer. So what happen if there is a something like plus minus, as I say you 52, we have to return 0. So after you get a minus, okay, your I will point to here, and this is not in the range from 0 to 9, character 0 to 9. So it will ignore this while loop and just simply return the answer 0, because here our answer will remain 0. Our answer will only change in this while loop. Okay, this while loop. So it will simply return 0. So this case and this case get handled. Okay, and also we are like if you see this case, okay, this is also get handled in this only, because it this while loop will not execute, and this also, this if case is not execute, and when it comes here, it will simply see that C first is alphabet, and alphabet is not in range from character 0 to 9. So it will not perform this, and it will simply return the answer. Okay, so I am just taking like if it is 0, okay, earlier it is 0, then I encounter with 3. Okay, let's say this example and encounter with 3. So I will just simply do 10, it is 0, and it is then I will plus 3 here, so it will be 3. Okay, then I will then again the loop I get execute, and the 5, now it is done for 5, so I do 30, so it will be 30 plus 5, it will be 35. Okay, then again I will take 35, sorry, I will take 35 into 10, and it will be 350, and plus this is 6, so it is 356. Okay, similarly for 8 also it is 356 into 10 equals to 3560 plus this is the number is 8, so it is 8, so it will be 3 5 6 and 8. Okay, so and after that you will see there is a space, so it is not in the range, so it will break. So this will perform this simple step, and this is the most important case, which is used to handle these two condition if the if our answer go out of the range. Okay, so if what I am doing, like you can see that the maximum you can get from integer is 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7. Okay, so you can see I have wrote right here, if answer is greater than int max divided by 10, when I divide it by 10, I will just simply get till 4. Okay, and if we have generated a number which is already greater than this one, and we again want to add another digit to it, so it will always goes out of the bound. Okay, because if it is 6, then it is 5. If it is 6, then here it is 6 4. Then if we generate a number something similar, and here it is 6 5, and okay, all the number of same like 2 1 4 7, then in last we have 6 generated 6 5, and we want to append 0 1 2 3 something, so it will always be greater than this number. Okay, this number will always be greater than this number, so we'll just simply uh, return our int max and int min depend upon the sign. Okay, if it is the positive, if our sign is positive, so we'll return int max. If it is negative, so it will return int min. Okay, now or else if it is also in range, okay, like we here you can say I have checked if it is equals to ns, if we generate which is which is same as this one. Okay, exactly same as this one, and if s of I is means and we want to append a number which is greater than 7. Okay, like if the number is 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6, then 4, and we want to append a number, let's say call 9. Okay, so you can say this number is greater than this one, so we have to again return uh, int max or int min basis of the sign. Okay, so this is the whole code. Here, this is the tricky means this is a tricky part. Okay, and you just simply return answer. Okay, with into sign. So let's run the code. Okay, this is the same code. So hope you understand this code. Okay, so if you understood this video, do a like, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. So thank you once again. Happy Makar Sankranti and enjoy the day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.